my mom, Yana. You all know her.
So today we want to share with you something very cool, and Isabella gonna tell you about it.
It's a rainbow scratch note.
It's absolutely great, and it's plus 3 years. And what you get here inside?
You get 16 pieces of rainbow scratch notes, 20 pieces of wooden styluses, 4 pieces of drawing stencils, and 1 piece of soft brush.
Yay, it's so cute. As you see, packaging is very nice and cute. So it's absolutely great for your kids or if you want to do present. So let's open.
Yes.
Okay. Ta-da. So you have everything inside, brushes, styluses, and the notes. You see?
Yeah.
So it's this
Oh,
size.
I'm taking that one for sure.
Yeah. Nice. So you can draw everything that you like. So inside you have like this black note, black paper. So when you scratch it, it's gonna be a rainbow color.
There's also this and that.
Yes.
You can use it for drawing stuff like